Hello, welcome to our channel and new video, friends. Today you see behind me, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of our 82 square meter prefab house, folks. We're going to tour inside and outside together. I'll try to explain to you as much as I can, as far as I can articulate, from the materials used to the processes. Our house consists of 2 bedrooms and an open kitchen living room in a 2+1 format. We have a very practical project, friends. For price information, detailed information, our website address, social media accounts are in the description below. You can reach us through the links there, folks. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to avoid missing future videos, guys. Okay. Then let's start our video. Yes, friends, the exterior appearance of our 82 square meter factory house is completely standard. There's no extra coating or such procedures, folks. Every 125 centimeters, you see our junction elements, our cross profiles. Of course, if you don't want to see this, if you want to make it more decorative, plywood coating. You can also optionally choose coating processes like stone unit coating, natural stone coating, but this is our standard. Our building setup is done and both the interior and exterior paint is applied and delivered, folks. Let us slowly move into our house. Right as the entrance, we have a balcony area of 12 square meters, folks. Let me show you this quickly. 2.5 meters in width. There is also a balcony area to be 3.75 as a rim leak. Friends, our body. Immediately from the kitchen section, there is a big 180/120 exit area with a path via the balcony, and even a large service can be provided. It has a wide window, guys. Just like this at our entrance door, we have a very elegant steel door to enter our home, folk. Let's slowly move inside now. Yes, as soon as we enter through the steel door, the kitchen area is on our right. On our left side, we have the living room, folks. Our living room area is clearly 24 square meters. Our dedicated kitchen area is a total of 13 square meters. Friends, this is the L-shaped open kitchen living area right here. Our kitchen cabinet, our kitchen counters are completely done, of course, in this building for about 6-7 months. Keep using it, guys. You can understand that it's actively used. This is let me show you the depth and width of our salon section like this. From the other side of our living room, the width is like this, friends. There is no coating process on the exterior in this project of ours, but in our interior, we have complete plaster on the walls, plaster closing and plastering process. Friends, the walls are completely flat. You are seeing our ceilings are in a crossover system, just like the way they appear when they combine, every 62.5 seconds. In this project, our straw pier and curtain works are completely done, guys. After our living room kitchen section, our toilet and bathroom area is right across from us. On our right side, there will be a bedroom. On our left, again a bedroom. This place is a 2+1 designed project, guys. Right there. Our bedroom will be 12 square meters wide. A 370 by 370 bedroom, friends. Let me show you. The depth of the bedroom is comfortably spacious for a double bed. The wardrobe section is comfortably a bedroom on the right. Friends, this is our 12 square meter bedroom. After our bedroom, let's move to the bathroom section. There is a 5 square meter bedroom in the hotel. The shower area, toilet area, sink area, and right next to me is the washing machine. It is designed to have a closet on top. Of course, unfortunately, in smaller bathroom spaces like 4 square meters or 3 square meters, the washing machine doesn't fit If you want things like a washing machine, boiler, you generally need to prefer bathrooms over 5 square meters, friends. Lastly, our other bedroom here is 14 square meters. Again, it has a double bed and so on. It fits comfortably. Let me show you the depth and width of this place. To the bedroom section, a gigantic wardrobe fish. It fits comfortably. In fact, we have a wide enough space here to toss a table in front of our pens. Friends. Yes, friends, it's 82 square meters. It's a 2-bedroom with an open kitchen living room. Our prefabricated house was like this. I tried to explain as much as I could to you. Price information, detailed information. In the description below, we have our website address, social media accounts. You can reach us from the links there, friends. If you liked our video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to not miss upcoming videos. You can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. See you guys. Goodbye. Enjoy watching.